Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I am here at the George Washington House. And if you look at him, he's following me, eh? I'm in downtown Alexandria, Virginia, and we're going to the Gadsby Tavern Museum. All right, so we're in one of the dining rooms. If you look over here, we got oysters over here. Take one of these oysters, right? We've got the oysters. This is probably the fish table. They're drinking a nice. This is probably bourbon from the Bourbon Cowboy. A special bourbon from the Bourbon Cowboy. Over there, you got your meat and potatoes, the big fish, the bread over there with the cake. You got some pork chops. You got special punch over there. Forget about it. I'll tell you, this is some good bourbon. Hats off to the Bourbon Cowboy. Look at that, come along with times, huh? Gonna eat. Now this room is the private dining room, you know what I'm saying? If you want to get special service, you come and sit here at the private room and the meatball is served. But this is where the high class came to have special meetings and stuff like that, guys. All right, guys, now this room is the entertainment room, like if a restaurant had a live band or a comedy show, you know what I'm saying? This is where they would set up and do their thing. It's a nice little dance floor. You hear the acoustics for singing. Very good, guys. I'm telling you. Maybe I'll do my next rib-off over here. Just like the taverns you eat, people come across town, they gotta eat, they drink, they want to get some rest, so they come to one of these places and take a nap. Like for a bedroom. We probably heard Area 51, that's where you think all the aliens are. But I'm gonna tell you, all these historical sites, you can't go upstairs. Do you know why? There's aliens up